All right, Lonnie, here's your 427 small block 4. Give you a description of this combination. We got your AFR heads on it, little Brock manifold, got the Dyno carburetor and distributor, custom grind hydraulic roller, rear sump oil pan. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 530 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 555, really flat there, really good. Peak horsepower 553. So everything good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In the engine crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all this. Have a great day.